Hello, everybody. Welcome to a tropical update here. This is what's currently going on worldwide right now, and there's three areas of interest to watch right now. Of course, the main topic to discuss is Tropical Cyclone 07S, also known as CHALANE, which is pretty much made landfall now. We also got Invest 96S, which recently formed. It has a low tropical cyclone development chance, unlikely within the next 24 hours from the JTWC latest outlook for this. And then we got Invest 93S, which now has a medium percent chance, chance of development here, which means tropical cyclone development likely, but expected to occur beyond 24 hours there. So two other systems to watch here, but of course, again, the main topic to discuss worldwide right now in the tropics is Tropical Cyclone 07S, also known as CHALANE. And this is what the current JTWC forecast cone looks like for the system. They're going to update it here really soon, I think. I think they're supposed to update it already. No idea why they haven't updated it quite yet here. I want to say that they were supposed to update it here, but regardless, they have it as a 60 knot high-end tropical storm, which is about 60 knots, is about 70 miles per hour, and they have it making landfall pretty much right on time here, at around 6 UTC here. No idea why the JTWC is taking a little while to produce their latest cone, but hopefully it's a good reason, I guess. Here's what the storm looks like on satellite imagery here as the sun rises over the tropical cyclone as it makes landfall there, and you can see it just consistently blowing up convection over the center of circulation. They're really tried to get its eye out before landfall, but that didn't end up coming to fruition there, thankfully. However, that being said, there is a lot of rain estimated to be falling down from the system here. Don't know the exact totals, but certainly enough to cause some flash flooding and probably some mudslides around some of the areas here of Mozambique. Here's what the storm looks like on infrared satellite imagery here. This is the satellite imagery loop over the past 3 hours from 15 UTC till about 45 minutes ago here, and you can see how the system's just kind of consistently blowed up convection over its center circulation there, right up till a little bit after landfall there. As you can see in the latest frames, the convection seems to be maybe dwindling there finally as it continues on inland now, and should continue weakening here as it continues to get inland right now. Fortunately, this storm was not as strong as initially forecast. It was forecast, at least by some models like the HWRF or the HWRF, to reach up, I think, to Category 3, or maybe even, I think, for like one or two runs, Category 4 intensity, but thankfully we're not dealing with that right now. Still, though, a dangerous situation for those of you guys that are under this cyclone. It's likely producing lots of flooding and rainfall for the most part here, and probably, of course, some gusty winds as the storm makes its way further inland here. And as you can see, the storm looks like it made landfall just north of Beira, Mozambique there. So they looks like they got spared from at least the heaviest in the wind department here. Maybe not so much in the rainfall department, but in the wind department certainly. They looks like they lucked out with this one here. It could have been a lot worse, and thankfully it did not. Again, it did not reach Category 3 or Category 4 intensity here. Really thankful that it didn't end up being another Idai type situation where we had pretty much an intensifying cyclone up until landfall right over or right near the city of Beira, Mozambique. So that's pretty much about it for this topical update here. Again, kind of a short summary. 96S and 93S so far not forecast to really threaten any land at this point. They're forecast to stay at the sea and just be fish storms for the most part here. Of course, keep an eye on it because you never know with these cyclones. Eventually they might threaten land, but for now, at least in the short term, they aren't forecast to threaten any land at this point in time. Of course, the main topic to discuss is Tropical Cyclone 07S, which recently made landfall over both Mozambique, looks like just north of the city of Beira, Mozambique, and is likely producing some flooding rainfall and gusty winds along the immediate impact area where that storm made landfall. So again, that's going to be about it for this topical update here. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And if you want to know what websites and sites that I use for this topical update, they're down in the description below if you want to click on them and see what's currently going on in the world of topics yourself. Feel free to take a look on the description and see what interests you, maybe perhaps there in terms of getting tropical cyclone information there. So again, that's going to be about it for this tropical update here. Hope everybody has a great day and night wherever you guys are. Stay safe, of course. Until then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.